How to create a catch-all email account in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to create a catch-all email account. Click the Mail tab. Then click the Mail Settings tab. Select the domain for which you want to create a catch-all email account, then click Mail for non-existent users. Click the Forward to Address option, then enter the address you want all these emails to go to. Then click OK. That's it. Now when someone sends email to an address in this domain you haven't set up, that email will go to john@testsite.com. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create a catch-all email account in Plesk.